Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is home insurance and how does it works. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser and search here what is home insurance. When you search, the website page will be opened. Just click in this website what is home insurance features and advantages. When you click this website, the page will be opened what is home insurance features and its advantages. Home insurance is an insurance policy that covers the cost of damage of your home or an insured property. It is the form of property insurance that is one of the several types of general insurance product. Home insurance coverage and exclusions. Home insurance is also called homeowner insurance. It is the safeguard your bungalow apartment and the flat you have to own, and it is the bid for against your potential risk. It is the cover of your cost and damage due to the unfortunate events. Home insurance can be have to climate for damage due to the following cases: natural climate cases for the windstorm, hail, fire and lighting, man-made problems like riots of the valid storm, property destructions due to any civil communication, damage due to the real of road construction, collisions of airplanes and vehicles, explosion of smoke. Coverage afforded the under of home insurance policies. This is the home policy that is the cover of various kind of damage. For example, damaged electric lines and fires, water pipeline and structure damage. It is also provide the average of your broken windows, doors, floors, walls, not only for your house and will be after the covers of your loss and damage to your content of the home. It can be a badly dividend for your kind and cost for insured property as below. Interior damage cost, exterior damage expenses, loss damage or personal assistance for blocking from of your housing. Coverage for physical injuries that you may be have to occur while you demanded property. Home insurance policies may be differ with the coverage that provided depending on certain factors. It is the various according to the residence type, return of home, and it is the size of resident. Other of characteristics like age, place, and resident replacement. That are the values of location as well as the cost of logging also matter your claim history of crime rate and the areas of can be also matter the financially. It is depend on the kind of coverage that you chooses. It is the choices about your amount of premium and it is deductible for the ready to pay. The deductible is the amount of you have to pay before making the claim. For your premium amount falls and short of when you have to deductible is high premium, less of the vice versa. Exclusions: although the home insurance covers the natural means that you have to caused by a few accidents, that is uncovered. For instance, these are the coverage: international damage, damage to the negligent, my situation and the act of court. This is the court of exclusions, that is the listing few them below. Act of code include the climate, flood and earthquake excluded in the plan insurance and policy. Some providers may be have the good additional coverage pieces and it is the disaster in specific cases of customized policies. Damage occurring due to the low or zero. Maintenance with the negligence of property. Also these are the can be have to cover the smoke of some circumstance. It is doesn't have the cover up for your clients with the ones you have the own vehicle will not the cover under the home insurance policy. Any destructions of property under ordinance laws of you have to the court order. Damage due to the nuclear hazard of their war and country. Why should have to the home insurance policy benefit? You should be have to the home insurance policy because it is cover of financial losses. You may also have to these are damaged or property. It may be a blocking under condition that is controlled by you. These benefits of the home insurance policy are: you can be get mandatory aid for your repair and damage, control your unfortunate events, that you have to the third party cases, damage to your claim insurance without getting to the legal thief. It is the easier that your mortgage, home loan and repair for the reconstruction expansion if there are property insurance. The cost of the losses of home blocking and the content can be also have to covered up to home and blocking for the appliances, furnishing, furniture, gadget and jewelry. Covering for not only for the damage due to accident and climates but also after the due thief, laboratory and burglary. These are three types of home insurance policies that are designed for the creator and specific requirements. These are policies include the landlord insurance, tenant insurance, the landlord that is the climate landlorder insurance that is the tenant for also have to whenever you loses your payment. This is due to the reason of similarly tenant in the insurance that is her own blocking and rented for. In the order of claim that your insurance money may be have to needed a documents that is the evidence that your damaged documents like police fire investigation report statement and from of your fire budget authorized organization residential security also have to the effort of certificate.